Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel SM Wisdom. Friends, there isn't much difference between how an older lady would flirt with you and how a younger woman would. Age is just a number. However, there are always some physical signs that a woman shows when she is interested in you. Older women flirt with men more openly and directly than younger women, which is the major difference. They typically don't engage in as many mind games because they already know what they want out of life and in a man. In fact, this is another fantastic advantage of dating older women. In this video, I'll list the exact signs an older woman makes when she wants you to know if she is attracted to you. Along with it are some tips on what an older woman wants and likes about you. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into these reasons together. And don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful, and subscribe for more relationship insights. Let's get started. Number 1. She flirts with you in a seductive manner. It's quite clear that a woman wants you seriously when she flirts with you, especially when it's an older woman. She will flirt with a man she likes and feels at ease around him. It can signify that this older woman you adore likes you if she frequently turns every conversation into playful teasing. These can be remarks that are so abrupt and direct that you might choke on your coffee as a result. Or perhaps she makes a point of stating something to you every time she sees you, but you might not catch the subtle remarks. Your eyes often meet and maintain eye contact when flirting. Eye contact is rarely accidental in women unless she is actively searching for you in the room. Number 2. Her body language changes. Older women frequently indicate their interest through subtle body language clues. This may serve as a strong indicator that she is trying to flirt with you. Lip biting is frequently interpreted as a sign that someone is thinking of kissing you or as a technique to relieve sexual tension. When an older lady engages in this behavior while speaking with you, it may indicate that she is interested more in you. She frequently leans in your direction, obviously trying to grab your attention. It demonstrates that she is interested in anything you have to say. Physical touch is an effortless method to flirt, especially with older women. She tries to find a way to touch you frequently for different reasons. Younger ladies frequently use playing with their hair and neck as flirting, but an older woman also does this to express her interest in you subtly. Number 3. She tries to act younger around you. She may act pretty maturely with others, yet behaves differently towards you. Furthermore, she might behave with you like a young child who is constantly happy and giggling. Her voice alters as well, sounding more childlike as she expresses interest in you. She starts acting younger around you, which indicates that an older lady is into you. When drawn to someone, they frequently direct their energy and liveliness in that direction. She might become more lively and expressive when you're around if she's usually reserved. Becoming older does not imply that a woman must slow down, abandon her hobbies, or behave like a granny. To relate to you more personally, she might even start using more modern slang. Number 4. She talks about her private life and hints that she is single. Talking about former relationships with past lovers is one of the things women are always cautious. They wouldn't just let anybody know about them. She's basically telling you that she trusts you and wants you to get to know her better by opening up to you about her background. In addition, an older lady will be upfront about being single if she likes you. She does this to let you know that she is available. She wants you to know that nothing is stopping her from pursuing you in case you were thinking about doing so. An older woman will discuss her relationships and past relationships with you when she wants you. Or she might say that she's dating someone new or that other men are interested in her. And although at first glance, this can seem to improve your confidence, it's really just a tool to watch how you respond. She knows you're into her and has the upper hand if she tells you other guys are interested in her, and you react with bitterness or jealousy. She will notice that you are not in the least way threatened by her dating someone else if you remain confident and accepted. Not only that, but she might be more drawn to you now. Number 5. She wants to know your opinion constantly. Although she dresses according to the dress code at work, when she accepts your invitation to lunch, she is wearing a beautiful, super gown that accentuates her attractive physique. She might even appear to be a different person when you are alone with her. She might do this to catch your eye and make herself appear more attractive because she likes you. To make sure you notice her, a self-assured woman can ask your opinion about her new clothes or lipstick. For her, it is important to know what you think. That's why she frequently seeks your opinion. She asks you for advice on what to wear, what would be a decent scent to wear, what lipstick color to wear, and pretty much anything else. Number 6. She has no problem telling you filthy jokes. You probably won't be surprised to learn that an older woman who tells you dirty jokes wants you. Jokes are one thing, and they may undoubtedly be used in chat and teasing. She might think you're cool with seeing her flirty side. She might say something dirty and bold that makes you laugh out loud. A very self-assured older woman will feel free to express her admiration for you by making overtly daring remarks. Consider this. Older women frequently focus on maintaining an air of elegance, so you've already won her over when she cracks a dirty joke at your expense. Conclusion. How to know whether an older woman likes you isn't a big mystery anymore because you already know the answers. Now, it is totally up to you to make this work after you recognize the above signals. For anything to happen, you still need to take the initiative and make things happen. Dear viewers, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful too. Also, let us know in the comments below if you've noticed any of these signs in your own experiences. We'd love to hear your stories. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. We've got plenty more interesting topics coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay confident and keep those positive vibes going.